How about a website generated for students that understand all their pain points and teach in that manner? Basically personalized teaching. Here is a website that matches all the requirements and with a price of $9.99. Let's get started. First, let's log in. I have already account, so I'll log in. Here we go. Yeah, so it's our first day of full stack development. Earlier when we log in, we have the option to choose a plan, and after completing this course or in between, if we want to switch, we can use the change plan option. You have hands-on task so that you don't fall into the tutorial help. And here we have our tutor section. Here hands-on task is the same which we have in the today's task. Here we'll start with hi. Hi there, ready to dive into the world of full stack development. To start, you can tell what part of full stack development sounds most interesting to you, the front end, the back end, or how they can. It's basically interactive. It basically teaches you by asking questions, and if you don't know, you can just say I don't know. It will explain you in detail. The thing here we have added, it interacts with the student and checks how the student responds, and based on the responses it analyzes, and for the next day it changes the lesson dynamically so that user can be more comfortable with it. It's far more better than the traditional courses what we have. AI keeps on updating itself and gets personalized to your learning pattern. And below we have a code review. In this we have multiple options as it depends on what language is learning. Once if you want to check your code, suppose if the tutor had asked to write a hello world code, so you can write it here and it will give feedback on that part. Suppose here I have written print hello. Here I have not enclosed in double quotes. Then here, as you can see, error detection and fixes. The original code print has a syntax error, missing closing quote. This is the thing which can help you debug your code and learn effectively. Next we have reminder section. Here you can set your daily reminders, and here we have chatbot which can help you in daily tasks. Suppose hi Arun, what's happening? Then we have a cross question. Suppose you have learned a topic just now, HTML tags. Now you can generate a question. It will ask you 3 to 5 thought-provoking questions that will help you solidify your topic understanding. And after submitting the question, suppose you don't know any answer, and it will by default keep as I don't know, and it will generate the feedback. Here you can see the feedback is generated. Here see first question, second question, and the third question. It's a detailed explanation about the question it has been asked. Now here there is a simple profile. Payment, it's a one-time payment and you can keep enjoy it for your life. And here it's a change plan. Here you can change whatever the plan you need. Suppose I was learning full stack development, now I'll switch to Python. It will generate 30 days plan for me for learning Python, and keeping the last analysis in the mind, it generates a plan so that it can personalize the way how I learn.